One thing I always talk about when I'm cooking outdoors is I like to bring shelf-stable ingredients. You know, things like olives, capers, they can sit in their jar at room temperature all day long. All right, now that we got our shallots and garlic prepped up, it's time to start cooking. With good reason, you can cook a 5-star meal with these 3 pots. Your skillet, your sauce pot, and your stock pot. Oh my gosh, this sauce, absolutely delicious paired with seafood. Roasted cherry tomatoes, olives, garlic, capers. Just gave it a splash of water to thin it out a little bit. I love being out here. Why cook in a normal kitchen when I could create my own kitchen, you know? By the creek, it's as good as it gets for me. Having the right tools in a place like this, it just makes it easy. Look at that. 5-star meal out in the woods. What do you think, Tech? Might finish it off with a little garnish of some fresh dill and some Parmesan cheese. Come on now.